Alright, YouTube, panels are all cut. We're going to do a dry fit before we go. And one thing to just know, do not glue the panels in place. It's really important not to do that so that they can move. Once we put it all together, they need to be able to move so that they won't split. So, let's see, one of these I had to put towards the top. This one, so I've got a thick and a thin on the top. Alright, hey YouTube, dry fit complete. So now, we'll go ahead and get this guy glued and screwed. So, all I need to do is just remove this piece and put my glue in. Remember, don't glue the panels. That's really messes it up if you do. Alright. Alrighty. Just take my time, do this right. Slipped a little bit, darn it. There we go. So, one side done, one side to go. I'm going to go ahead and put this on for now, just to give me some extra hold. And we'll do the other side. No sense in needing to watch the rest. I'm going to do the same on this side. We'll be all done. Alrighty. Now we got this, we're just kind of dry fitting everything here. This will be the the top here. And because we're cautious of weight, that's why the frame is not all that robust. So it'll just be these little 3/4 by 1 inch pieces of poplar as the frame. This one will go down here on the bottom. And we're just going to use pocket screws and glue again to attach these in. Alright, we're getting closer. Now all I've got to do is just glue this piece into here for that corner. We'll probably shoot some brads in it. But it's basically all here. This is the raised panel look of it that I wanted. So that'll be good. Came out like I was expecting. Surprise, huh? But I do want to put one more brace right here. I do want to put one in the center here because this side is going to have a flat piece of that thin plywood there that goes against the bathtub. You really won't ever see it, but I want that strength right there because that's quite a distance for that to go. So I want that to be strengthened up a little bit more, and that'll be it. So that piece for the corner, because that's really not held together at all, and then one more here, and I'll have enough